Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be reviewing and also unboxing my brand new Riki Skinny Vanity Mirror. If you guys are interested in the mirror that I will be showing you, it will be down below in the description box. As you can see, we're in a different location and it sounds kind of echoey because my house is pretty empty and my vanity room is coming together. I cannot wait for you guys to see the final look. But for now, this is going to be my filming area, and I think I was planning on doing it in the living room, but I couldn't find good lighting, so I said, let's go upstairs, and perfect. It is perfect. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's unbox my brand new vanity mirror. Guys, I wanted this to be a true unboxing, so therefore I didn't touch the box until now. And wow, so here we have the Skinny Riki, which is super cool. I cannot wait to show you guys how it looks and also all the features that it has. And then over here we also have the case for this mirror. Alright, we're gonna put this on this side. First we're gonna open the mirror together. And you guys, this mirror is super cool. One thing I love about this mirror is that it's portable. You can take it anywhere. When I first got the opportunity to work with Riki Loves Riki, I got really excited because I have seen this mirror on TikTok. Thank you so much to Riki Loves Riki for sponsoring this video. Alright, so here we have it. Ooh la la, check it out. It is super lightweight. We have a little pamphlet with instructions on how the mirror works and also the accessories, how to turn on your Bluetooth, how to charge your battery, just everything. If you have any concerns about your mirror and the accessories or just want to learn, definitely check this out. It comes with a little, and inside it comes with a little coupon for 15% off. Alright, so, and also the box is really heavy duty. Here we have the mirror, which is really nice, you guys. Wow. It kind of looks like a book or like a cutting board. It is really lightweight. And then we're going to peel this off too. Oh, 1 second. We'll take this off. And then we'll peel this off so that you guys can see the mirror. This is how it looks like. Wow. Super cool. I'm not sure if it... Oh, it is charged. Wow. This is super nice. I love it. And it has, I believe, 5 different... Oh, wow. Look, so you can do it super bright. Wow. This is glamorous, you guys. I am loving it. And the cool thing, too, is that you can change the light. So this is the brightest. 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 different... levels of light. It is this right here, the brightest. Wow, this is super cool, you guys. I am digging it. Okay, let me show you what else we have in the box, and then we'll go over the things that the mirror does. And then inside we have more goodies, which I believe this is the stand. Oh no, maybe this is the stand over here. Oh, here we go. This is the stand for the mirror. This little piece of accessory that I just pulled out is actually for the phone. So I can put this phone right here and maybe film, do a little mini tutorial, makeup tutorial while I do my makeup and I'm able to see myself in the mirror. Oh my god, you guys, this is amazing. Amazing. I am so excited. And then over here we have another mirror. And then we also have a magnifying mirror, which I believe you can just put it on. There you go, you guys. Oh my goodness. And it won't fall. It won't, like, just check it out. Wow, this is super cool. And then, of course, we turn it on right here. Like that. If I want to do my makeup and I want to just, like, pick it up and grab it, this is really nice. As you all know, in my previous makeup room or beauty room, I had a vanity with my really nice vanity with the light bulbs. That is really nice. I love the look of it. One thing I can tell you is that I don't like that the light bulbs get super hot. That's a thing that really turns me off. I still have it, but I feel like it's not so practical. As for this This is really nice because you can just pick it up if I want to do my makeup downstairs or if I want to do my makeup on the road. I mainly do my makeup on the road when I have the kids, when we're going to pretty much anywhere and I have no time because I don't wake up early. Or even if I do wake up early and I want to have it in my bathroom. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is a gorgeous mirror. Not only is it gorgeous, it's practical. It is lightweight. Let me just show you guys. Actually, there's more things. Oh, over here. The stand. So this is how the stand looks. And this is how you do it. Pretty much. Wow, you guys. Pretty good. So far, so good. And then over here we have a little box, which I have no clue what it is. But we're going to check it out together. Inside here is, oh, the charger. That's right. The charger for the mirror. And then also it has 2 little USBs, so if you want to charge your phone while you're charging your mirror, that can be possible. And this is how you do it. Let me find the charger on the, then you plug it right here. There you go. So that's how you charge it. And then here's the outlet for the wall. Protected, which I'm not going to take it off. I don't think I need to. But other than that, this is how the mirror looks. Let me turn it on for you guys. Here we can also make it brighter or lower the brightness. To attach the smallest mirror, make sure it's in the center because I for a second I thought it wasn't working anymore, but yeah, it is. Look. So it's right there and it attaches really good. And then for the phone, so it would be like that. I think I can turn this. Oh, there you go. So I can turn it, do my makeup, do a little reels or an IGTV, a little tutorial for my Instagram. This would be super nice and perfect. And I can just like glance over and I can see how my makeup is looking. I love that it gives me so much light. I can even do stories if I want to like talk in the morning and do a story if it's too dark. This is awesome. I am obsessed with this mirror. I think I'm going to be displaying it on my bathroom. For me, the major plus is that it's portable. I can do my makeup everywhere. In the bathroom, wherever I want. Here, let me just give you guys a close-up of this side right here. This is where you can adjust the light, turn it on, turn it off, the Bluetooth, about the battery, how charged it is. So right now we have it at green, so that means it's probably fully charged. Eventually I'm sure it's gonna get to red and it's gonna warn me that I need to charge my mirror. Alright you guys, let's move on to the case. This mirror also comes in the tall size, which I believe it's a lot bigger. You can put it on top of your vanity. Let me show you the case. But if you're into packaging, for me this is definitely quality packaging. Alright, and then here we have the case. So if I want to travel, if I want to go somewhere with my husband, I don't know, maybe take a little vacation away from the kids, I can always bring my mirror. That way my makeup always looks really, really nice. So here we have it. This is exciting. Okay, it's Christmas time. Wow, so this is the case for my mirror. This is so pretty. It matches my decor. Minimalistic. It has the logo indented. And it has double zippers, which you open it up like this. Very heavy duty. And inside, wow, the compartments are for the mirror and also for the accessories. And then over here, we flip it over and this is where we place our mirror nicely and then we lock it. So this is how the case looks. Overall, you guys, I am impressed with this mirror. It is really, really nice. I love the quality of everything from the packaging to the actual product. It's really nice and well made. If you are interested in this product, I'll have a link down below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm also going to show you how it looks on the vanity. I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek of my bathroom. It's really pretty, you guys. I love my bathroom with my new mirror. I feel like $1,000,000. Silly me. I didn't understand what the camera was for, but that's for the Bluetooth. So if you have your phone and you want to take a selfie, you can just push the camera and then there you have the perfect selfie. Not only is this mirror practical, lightweight, it has Bluetooth, it has the lights, you can carry it everywhere. I mean, you can also use it as a ring light if you want to take your selfies, your pictures. With this mirror, you guys, I highly recommend it. In my opinion, this is a 10 out of 10. And also, just check it out right there. Just having my mirror there on the vanity, ready to take a selfie, to do a story for Instagram. It is perfect, you guys. And plus the case, if you want to travel, put it in there and it will not get damaged because it is pretty padded, and also it has the little compartment, especially for the mirror and for the accessories. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this mirror? Do you love it? I love it. I'm really excited to be displaying it in my home. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested, everything is in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Riki Loves Riki for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys. Check out how glamorous my mirror looks. Oh my goodness, you guys. I love it. I just finished taking some pictures because I wanted to do my thumbnail, and I ran into a small problem, which is this. I'm not sure what is going on, but it's not turning on. I'm charging it. I'm gonna message them and let them know that we're having this issue. I just wanted to mention it just in case it happens to you guys. I wanted to include this. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if it's, I don't know what it is, but just check it out. As I press the button, this is what it does. It's literally not turning on. But the battery, it says that it's charged. Check it out. So this is the battery. This is me turning it on. Nope. I don't know, but I was really excited because I really like this mirror. So I'm not sure what is going on, but I'll let you know in the comments down below. I'm gonna message the company and let them know the issue that I'm having, and I'll add this into the video just because I feel like I need to, you know, just in case, like I said, if you run into this problem, you know what to do. Check out the comments down below. I'll let you guys know how we fixed the problem, or if the mirror ended up working afterwards.